Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to learn about the creating a generic function in Typescript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Generics appears in TypeScript code inside the angle brackets in the format T, where T represents the passed-in type. So what is generic? Generic functions are the powerful tools in the TypeScript that allow you to write reusable and the type-safe code that can work with a variety of data types. So today we are going to discuss about the how to create that generic function. Okay, so let's take an example. So here we are defining a generic function with function name, and this is the type. Okay, and here is the argument of which type. Okay, so here we have the call the generic function with different types. First we are sending the numeric value, second then we are sending the string. Okay, so first result output is this and that one. Okay, so we define a generic function. So how we are going to define the generic function? Like this, that takes the type parameter t. This is type parameter t. This t represents a placeholder for the specific data type. So here we are defining the specific type. So it might be a string, it might be a number, numeric, boolean, anything it can be, or it can be object arrays also. Inside the function, we receive an argument type t and return it. Okay, so this ensures that the return value has the same type as the input. So whatever we are trying to, if it is number, then return type should be a number. Okay, so it of the same type because the t and the t. Then we can then call the identity function with different data types such as number, string. Type script infers an appropriate type based on the function arguments. Finally, we print the results and demonstrate that the generic function returns value of the same type as the input. Okay, so here we have here you can also see function generic type t, and if I go and do the console.log, you can here also mention that the type should be a string also. Explicitly specify the type as a string. Okay, so here you can also define the string, and the return argument, it will say that the whatever the type of the t, it should be the return type would be also the t. That means if you are sending the string, the return type should be also be a string also. Okay, so this is how we are able to create a generic function in your TypeScript. Okay, so here you are just defining the type, and here you are defining the return type also, and you can explicitly declare over here that whether it's to be accept a string, number or something, you can do that the same. Okay, and if you are putting here the like number and you're passing the string, then again there would be a creating an issue over it. Let's check it out. So here you can see that I have just copy and paste this one, and I'm going to print the log console.log string result. Okay, let's save this and try to return hello TypeScript. If I try to add over here like 42, then what happened? Argument type number is not assignable to the parameter type string. So make sure if you're passing the string should be there. Okay, so this is how we are able to create a generic function. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.